This is Puppets by Arlie, and this is how to make 2 puppets really quickly with paper. Okay, for this you will need a marker, scissors, a twist tie from like bread, a piece of scrap paper that's white, an envelope, and then some sort of tape. First thing, take your paper and fold it in half. Now take your scissors and cut a bean shape. Then when you open it up, it makes 2 eyeballs. Then with your marker, draw 2 pupils facing front. And pro tip, if the pupils are a little bit cross-eyed, that helps make the puppet look forward. Now take your twist tie. It's going to be around your 2 fingers. Loop the wire around your middle finger and index finger. And then make a twist cross with some pieces of the wire kind of poking up. You can take it off of your hand and you'll see it makes a little circle with 2 little dabs pointing up. Now, take your eyeballs, turn them wrong side out. Then you're going to tape your pointy up parts of the wire to the back of the eyeballs. And there we have it! A brand new puppet with big eyes! Ha 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 ha! Next, we're going to make a beak out of an envelope. So you can make a bird or any type of monster, but you're going to take your hand and slide it into the open part of the envelope. Then you're going to push the envelope closed. Now from here, draw on some eyes. Puppet building done. This is a bird puppet. Yes, and there you have it. 2 puppets quickly made out of paper. Thanks for watching. And there we have it. We have a new puppet made out of, excuse me, can you please, sorry the cat.